Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer seed token from your Sui wallet to your KuCoin exchange. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Over to Sui, and you're going to see your seed. Let me go over to seed right now, and you're going to see send. Let me go over to send, and you're going to put the amount you want to, your amount you want to sent to your KuCoin. Let me put that right away. So what you have to do next for you to go over to your KuCoin to copy your deposit address, and let me go over to KuCoin right now. So this is the KuCoin app, and as you can see the KuCoin app is loading. And what you have to do next is for you to go over to assets. You can see it at the right corner there. Let me go over to it. Okay, for me to gain access to it, I have to put my passcode, and let me go over to assets. Over here you're going to see deposit crypto. You have to go over to deposit crypto, and you have to go over to the search area at the upside, and let me search seed, and look at seed over here. What you have to do, you have to go over to it. Let me go over to it, and here is the network. You can see the network, which is Sui network. And what you have to do next is for you to go and copy the network. Let me copy the network right away. As you can see, I've been able to copy the network. And what you have to do next is for you to go over to your Sui wallet to go and paste it. You have to go over to your Sui wallet, and you have to paste your KuCoin deposit address. Let me do that right away. And you have to go to review. Let me go so they can review it, and go over to send now. And you see the transaction have been done. You have to go over to your KuCoin to check your seed. Let me go over to KuCoin right away, and this KuCoin. And what you have to do next is for you to go over to assets. Let me go over to assets, and let me put in my passcode. And over here you have to go over to funding. You can see funding at the upside. Let me go over to funding. You can see funding here. Look at the funding. And you going to funding, you can go over to the search area, which is this here, and searching seed. You're going to see your seed which you transfer from your Sui wallet to your KuCoin. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.